Hi, I'm Karim Rahimtullah, along with my partner, Brian Bonarelli, who's not here today. We run the War Room. And in the War Room, we run a lot of different strategies. So in this series, Simply Explained, Simply Answered, I'm going to talk about one of the most powerful strategies you can use at home today. Okay, as seen on TV, you can use it at home today. It's called cluster buying. What is cluster buying? Cluster buying is very closely related to what people call insider trading, legal stuff, legal insider trading, not Ivan Boesky stuff, but legal insider trading. So cluster buying refers to when more than one insider of a company buys stock. Okay, usually 3 to 5 insiders represent the best opportunity. What this is telling you is the insiders of this company are buying a lot of stock in their company because they know something's happening up ahead. Maybe 6 months from now, maybe 12 months from now, maybe 2 weeks from now. Okay, insiders usually can't sell stock if they bought it for at least 6 months. Okay, so they're locked in. So they're thinking something's happening down the pike, maybe a week from now, but it's going to be so good that I can even sell it a year from now because the stock's going to be higher. So insider buying is one thing. Cluster buying is what you look for. You look for directors and officers buying stock in the company. You know, when the guy who owns a ton of shares in the company buys more shares, I really don't follow that because he's just buying more shares. Okay. But when the guy who's running the bake shop at Krispy Kreme is buying 2,000 shares of stock and he's only making 20 grand a year, you pay attention to that. So when the bake shop guy is buying and the corporate counsel is buying and the CEO is buying and the CFO is buying and 2 directors are buying, what does that mean? They think the stock's going higher because no insider buys stock if the stock's going lower, okay? It's that simple. Insiders sell stock for all sorts of reasons, estate planning, buy a house, buy a car, or whatever. But when they're buying stock and when they're cluster buying, you got to pay attention. And in the War Room, we pay attention to that. I pay attention to that. And we've had tremendous success with following cluster buying, but it's got to happen in real time. And that's what the War Room is all about, real time. So for more information on the War Room and for more information on cluster buying and other strategies, click on that link below. You will not regret it.